Yo, music style. Yo man, it's not a joke thing. Respect to the people, to the yard, you know. So dancehall, it's not dancehall thing, we not joke. I don't mean I laugh, I laugh now. I know some boys say me I come like Daddy B. Daddy B for where? What? Never try disrespect me, you know. I respect man, as I respect man. Bhard, young time me a Bhard killer. Young time man a bar, me never know me. Young time man a bar, me never know me. Some try them, I disrespect. Them never know who them a could fight me. Who them a try them, I disrespect. It's the Pawnzman again. Who never know me? Pawnzman again. Me a coulda kill a boy. Some girl who never know say me a one tough. Who never fight me? I never try this. Who never know say me a coulda murder. A long time till me a deep and desert. Me a fight alone. Me never see some man them a come say them a call me say me a come like Daddy B. Hey Daddy B for the world. Boy, you never know who you are me. Same time me a come red. Me assignment me a know say me am red. Why me a coulda hide you? Long time me a struggle me a give you a favor. You will never know this. Me a wanna this. This me a broke, me not just span this. Pawnzman again, me not rude this. There's some why them a fight when I kill. Why man, me a rude general. A long time thing you will never know. Never try one, come fight me in a me yard. You know say me not joke on this thing. It's a life thing, why if you try? Any boy them a try, them a skin, wanna violate right now. It's a routine, me not joke on this. Right now, me a gonna hide your name. Same time me a gonna hide your fame. Same time, man a pray for the name. Same time you a pray for the fame. Boy, better learn hard. Me not joke on this again. You know say me not do nothing wrong. What me do? Tell me what me do. Me not do wrong to me people. Them a try, them a sabotage me. Me a me do it. It's a routine, me a do it. Me not steal, me not kill people. Me know say enemies, them come call me at same time. Why? Never try disrespect your daddy. Me a come, me a hear your father. If you never try disrespect your mother. Me never show your mother yet. Let me never yet. Let me keep asking, what happen? Why? If you never know, better respect who you never know, who you never meet in your real life. And this again, why? If you try disrespect me, me a gonna make you vanish. And this shit again, you know me, long time. Dancehall thing, me never joke on this again, no. It's a me life, me protect it, me protect me family. Everybody be my deep on the yard. Same time thing again.